this day of celebration for Christians everywhere, I'm in the heart of Birmingham to see how one new church has brought fresh life to the city. Happy Easter and welcome to Songs of Praise. Also on this programme, which was made before the current restrictions, I visit St Luke's Gas Street. Set in a rejuvenated part of Birmingham, it's revitalising the faith of the city.
We love that pitch of this building being a source of physical light to the city, and our vision is that we'd be a spiritual light to the city, carrying the light of Christ.
Good to see you.
How you doing?
Sean Fletcher hears how footballer Ricky Otto felt the call of God after the funeral of a friend.
I remember God saying to me, "Is this what you're forsaking me for?" It was at that moment when I realised that, no, I had to give my life to the Lord.
And a former committed atheist tells me what the Christian faith now means to her.
That idea of resurrection and starting again, and just Jesus' hope and glory for the world and new life.
This part of Birmingham is a wonderful fusion of old and new, where industrial heritage meets with modern living. The city has a range of churches, including the newly formed St Luke's Gas Street and the more established St.
We interrupt the following programme to bring breaking news. At 8:30 a.m. today, Prime Minister Boris Johnson passed away. He had been battling coronavirus and died with his parents by his side, who are now in quarantine. We send our deepest condolences to his family. Normal programming has been suspended, and the news will follow shortly.